Hey. What? I got nothing. I'm just gonna go. Okay. They don't even care. Okay. Just notice me. I think they think I have food, but I have no food. I'm just looking for a Seaglass. Alright, I guess that's pretty funny. Okay, so this is what I was looking. It's really cold out. Not that cold. It's like 40 degrees. I don't know. But this is what I was talking about. This is Seaglass, and it's just normal like glass from bottles and stuff that's been dumped in the ocean, cracked up into little pieces, and smoothed out. So I think it's really neat. I come to the beach sometimes, like kind of specifically to look for this, but also because I love the beach. Like it's beautiful. Even when it's cold out. When it's cold out, it's even better because there's like no one really around to take stuff, even though there's kind of people today. But that is Seaglass, very small pieces. I have bigger ones. So I always hope to find like really a big pieces. That's always the goal. Sometimes they're worth a lot. Not often, but sometimes. Like, you can find them on eBay. And there's other places where you can find Seaglass super easily, but not in New Jersey. It's really hard to come by, so I get really excited when I do find it. And I don't know, I guess if I find a big one, I'll film it again, but if I don't, I'll just leave it here. Alright. Goodbye. Little baby seagulls. I've never seen it before. Wow. Okay, this is cool as shit. I'm pretty sure this is... Oh! What? I thought it was like a crab that molted. Oh, it's breaking. Oh my god. I have never seen a crab like that at the Jersey Shore. That's awesome. I'll leave that alone, but that is cool. That is so fucking cool. Well. Okay. So this is pretty much the only way I can film it. This is a huge piece of sea glass. I wish I could... Hold on, I can't... Yeah, I can't move. But that is huge. That's a really good size. You can see how smooth it is, the details. That's what I'm talking about. Like, that's what you want. I wish I could, like, I can't do anything with the flashlight. So I can do, like, a comparison. Okay, that's pretty good, actually. That's it in my hand. My mitten hand. That's a huge piece of sea glass. That might be, like... That's probably my biggest one, actually. And usually they're clear. The big ones I have are clear. This is green. This is so... I feel like a weirdo. But this is beautiful to me. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, look, see how clear it is? Yeah, that's amazing. I found a little guy. He moved. He's not moving now. But he did move. Is he okay? Ooh. Let's see. Oh. Whew. Okay. Huh? Crab. Yeah. I wasn't sure if he was alive, but he's moving. Yeah. Oh my god.